Hello, I'm Julian from Arduino and I'm here today to tell you about my latest project with the Arduino UNO Q. So this is basically a smart solar panel system that has two different servomotors, some modulinos to play around with different sensors and actuators, and this was connected to the Arduino UNO Q to create new smart solar panel systems that can be used in professional, green solar installations, basically. The project was created, of course, just for educational purpose to show people how to apply this to real life, but it can be also used for fun. It's fully functional, okay? It's going to charge your batteries at 3 volts, okay? And it's a very, very interesting project. Do you want to know more? Let's take a look. So this is the UNO Q Smart Solar Panel System. The design was created by myself, but was based in the original work of another user. More info below in the description. And here you can see the general overview of the solar panel system. There are different modulinos connected to the solar panel, two servomotors that help us to control the whole system and position the light. And here you will see that at the front we have a modulino light that is able to read the infrared light, which is something really interesting, and a temperature and humidity sensor. At the back we have a vibromotor that allows us to clean the solar panel from sand and other issues, and an INU. Of course, the whole thing is moved by two servomotors, and with that, or thanks to that, we can basically position the solar panel in the best place to get the energy from the sun. Everything is connected to the Arduino pinouts and of course the cubic connector. Here you will see the whole thing working. You can see here a real life demo. The UNO Q is offering, the Linux part of the UNO Q is offering a really nice dashboard interface, and here basically we are doing the calibration or the scanning to see what is the best position to get the energy from the sun. If we take a look at the dashboard, you will see that at the left, we have the light panel orientation. We also have the live sky solar heat map, where we can see the different values that we are reading. We have two graphs about the actual energy that the solar panel is taking and the infrared energy that the solar panel is taking, and some interesting information also about the local weather and the actual temperature and humidity of the solar panel using the modulino sensor. There are another interesting things. Once the solar panel ends, basically it will move automatically to the maximum performance position to get the energy from the sun. So this is the smart solar panel system created with the UNO Q. It is a really simple project, but with a lot of possibilities. Thanks to the dual brain system of the Arduino UNO Q, we can do a lot of edge AI, for example, to put a webcam and to detect different anomalies on the solar panel system. We can use some real-time APIs about the weather and other conditions to basically take care of the solar panel installation. And we can, of course, use the different modulinos to clean the sun, for example, of the solar panel system, to detect some anomaly detection using the IMU, and well, do a lot of different stuff, and really interesting. When it's night, the light sensor is able to detect that it's night, and the solar panel is going to get into the standard position. And from there, a lot of things are going to happen. But basically also you have a snow alert system where the solar panel is going to put in vertical to avoid that the snow is on the top of the solar panel, and avoid problems. Well, you can do a lot of different stuff. So it's a very interesting project to do at home and to apply in the classroom, and also to show how we can use the Arduino UNO Q and of course the incoming UNO Q to solve these real life problems in actual solar panel installations. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. You have the whole project, including the 3D parts, GitHub repository, and hardware components and software components at projecthub.arduino.cc.